Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly how to unlock Sololearn Pro for free, step by step, so you can enjoy premium features without paying. Now, let's get started. Step 1. First, pick up your phone and open the browser app, like Chrome browser. You can usually find it on your home screen or in the apps drawer, and this is where you'll do the search for Sololearn. Step 2. In the browser's menu, go to the search bar and type the name Sololearn.com. Then press the search button. This will take you to the official Sololearn website where you can access your account. Step 3. Now select the search result that shows the Sololearn official page and tap to open it. Once the page is loaded, log into your Sololearn account by entering your email and password in the menu section. If you don't have an account yet, you can quickly sign up for free. Step 4. After logging in, locate the menu icon at the top corner of the screen and click on it. From there, look for the Go Pro option and tap on it to open the Premium Features menu. This is where you'll find options to upgrade your account. Step 5. Within the menu, you will see the Try Pro for Free option. Tap on it, and then carefully follow the instructions given on the screen. Usually, you might get a free trial for 2 or 3 weeks depending on the offer at the time. Please note, this method doesn't give you permanent free access, but it does let you enjoy Sololearn Pro without paying for a limited time, which is great for trying out all the extra features before deciding to subscribe. And that's it! You've now learned how to unlock Sololearn Pro for free and enjoy a taste of the premium experience without spending money. Don't forget to subscribe to Phone Transformer for more helpful guides like this one.